Hey there, Teeny Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, do I have a classic for y'all today? It feels like good old times in here, shooting a video in the messy shop, got smokers everywhere, smokers coming out the door, and got a Copperhead 40 sitting here. For those of y'all that don't know, the Copperhead 40 is actually the first smoker we ever built. 3.5 years ago, first smoker me and my buddy Lawson ever built, Copperhead 40. Hey, and we've changed very little because it was outstanding. Just a great cooker. So I've got a Copperhead 40 here from my man Andrew in Nashville, Tennessee. You know, we love all our Tennessee folks out there. And it's just a base model, guys. And hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that. It's a great cooker. So let's check it out here. Well, as you can see, there's no cooking grates in here. So with the helpful editing, bam, cooking grates. So guys, with all of our Copperhead models, you get 2 cooking grates, top and bottom shelf, both sliding. Now guys, this is a reverse flow smoker, so you do have removable baffle plates in the bottom, but directs the smoke all the way across and then back out of the stack. So it runs really even in there. Makes it really easy to cook on. I mean, you gotta love a big sliding top shelf, guys. Got a drip guard on the door there. Copper accents everywhere. It is our Copperhead model. He did opt for the TMG Pits Tell True gauges in there. And how about this? A folding front shelf. Guys, that is standard on all of our caster model smokers. You get that folding front shelf, folds back up, locks into place with one hand. Come around to the firebox here. Now guys, this is all 1/4-inch plate steel, right? She is a heavy girl. Now, most of our units, you'll see we do have a warmer up here, but guys, they actually come standard with a built-in griddle top with a grease drain in the back. So while you're smoking, you got a hot griddle right here ready to go, cook something quick on. We'll open up this 1/4-inch thick firebox here. You see, he did add our fire management cradle in there. And it does have a ash clean out down there as well. So makes clean your ash out easy. We got the D-ring tie down points on all 4 sides. But guys, that is our Copperhead 40. Now, there's been a little rumor going around. I've heard that Copperhead 40 is the king of the back patio. I'm not confirming anything, I'm just saying. But great little backyard cooker here, guys. That's our Copperhead 40. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.